good morning. We will continue what we were talking a while back, no? May problema talaga kasi it's raining and signal number 1 tayo and we are experiencing interruptions, no, sa ating internet connection. Anyhow, we find ways, no? Yung sabi nga, we find ways. That's why we are having this recorded and it will be posted later on because we believe that may mga nag-aabang kasi especially yung result ng ating contest.
Yes.
Which we have said that we will be announcing after nung live talk. Tama?
That's right.
Okay, so we are talking about Nutrition Month, of course, in celebration of the Nutrition Month. So we would just like to repeat that it was started in 1973 and it was actually parang yung mga nutritionists, dietitians in promotion and awareness of their profession kaya nagkaroon ng parang celebration, no?
That's right.
And then eventually it was institutionalized nationwide, no, through of course a law, no? Hindi naman siguro act pero it's still a law, no? That the former president, no, Marcos Sr., na-institutionalized in 1974 yung ating celebration ng Nutrition Month.
Yeah,
and of course, we were talking a while back yung theme ngayon, no?
That's right.
Yeah. And this is the 50th year
That's
anniversary
right.
of Nutrition Month. So yung ating theme for this year is?
Yes, healthy diet gawing affordable for all.
Okay, so healthy na, affordable pa.
That's
diba?
right.
Okay.
And we were discussing a while back yung word na affordable. Pumunta kasi kami sa market ni Sid because we purchased some food for some fruits and vegetables na gagawin namin ngayon na garden salad. Because here in the Baguio City Public Library, we have to walk our talk. Tayo yung magseset ng example. So, we are talking about nutrition. So, yung kakainin natin mamaya is something that is healthy also. Now, speaking of the word affordable, medyo skyrocketing ang mga prices ngayon, medyo mahal. So, i-integrate natin ngayon dito yung sinasabi natin kanina na home gardening.
Yes.
Like, we grow our own food, we grow our own vegetables and some fruits in our own garden. And we can be assured that these crops that we harvest from our garden is something organic.
Yes.
Walang spray, walang nilagay na chemicals. So, tayo mismo ay confident na masustansya at malinis yung ating prepare sa ating mga tahanan.
Actually, I remember nung talagang kasagsagan ng pandemic. Ang daming naging plantito. And one of the is yung pag-home gardening, tama?
Yes,
Yun ang
yes,
and
right.
I guess may pa-contest pa eh.
Yeah.
Di ba nagpa-contest na per barangay na you have to plant your own since
That's right.
limited ang galaw ng mga tao before.
Yeah.
Kaya, it's a good thing that we go into the home gardening also.
That's
We
right.
grow our
Yeah.
own food. And even, may alam ako na restaurant. No? They, nag-aalaga sila ng sarili nilang
Yes.
chicken.
Livestock,
Yeah, yung
diba?
livestock nila. And then also, they grow their own vegetables
That's
also.
right.
No?
Meron nga isang restaurant dito, siyempre hindi tayo magbabanggit, no?
Yes, of
Pero
course.
meron isang big, huge, well-known restaurant dito sa malapit sa Burnham. Pag pumunta ka, may mga sili sila dun sa kasi
Yes.
basic nila yun eh.
Oo,
basic
ano
ingredient nila
talaga
yun
yun.
sa mga sineserve nila na pagkain. But aside from sili, marami pa silang mga onion. So, yun na. They are growing, they are a living example of not only promoting their restaurant, pero promote din nila yung home gardening.
Yes.
That it can be possible. Kagaya ng sabi mo during the pandemic,
Yes.
limited yung galaw natin. We went back to basics talaga, like, kung noon ready na yung pagkain mo lang kasi restaurant ka na agad.
Yes.
Ngayon, you have to cook your own food during the pandemic. Parang natuto tayo talaga to go back to the basic and prepare our own foods from the garden in our own homes.
Yes, and speaking of preparing, I know na ikaw, talaga namang nagluluto ka, no?
Oh, yeah.
So, do not ask me anymore because be able to answer, no? Even though na nakikita ko na may mga recipes, pero palagay ko talagang hindi ko talent yung talent ko lang siguro magtikim kung masarap.
Kaya nga sabi namin,
Bakit?
yeah, that's right. Kaya nga sinabi namin earlier dun sa video namin na nakat. Dito sa public library, nagpa-practice na kami na magluto, na maghanda ng mga pagkain na healthy. I think this is the third time already that we are preparing garden salad.
Yeah.
And if you want to have the recipe, meron na kami sa group chat. Maybe if you are interested, we can also share it with you. Dahil wala namang wala namang anong tawag doon? Wala namang trade secret. Kung ano yung alam nating nakakabuti sa public,
Yes.
we are very much willing to share them with you.
Yes, and we do hope na in the future magkaroon din ng parang cooking demonstration dito sa library, kasi parang maganda rin naman na,
That's right.
kasi public, ito, kaya lang for this time, kung ganito yung setup natin, parang hindi yata, kasi puro wood at saka
Yeah, that's right. And
then
besides,
mga books and papers, so
That's right.
parang it should be safe also.
who knows, magkaroon tayo ng extension na kitchen. Diba? Hindi lang pantry, pero kitchen.
Yeah, may home pantry tayo pero walang kitchen.
Oo, that's right.
Pantry talaga.
Walang pantry for food. Okay.
Yes, oo.
And speaking na rin sa circumstance natin na nangyayari ngayon, we actually invited some dietitians.
Yes,
certified licensed dietitians. But they are all deployed. May pumunta ng Abra, may pumunta ng Kalinga dahil tawag din ng kanilang profesyon. So,
Yes.
hindi namin sila hindi nila tayo makakaunlakan for now. But as you said, anytime, right? Anytime in the future, maybe we can even invite them here. Kahit hindi nutrition month.
Yes,
Yeah, we can-
we can always talk about
That's right.
Sa public library kasi it's not only we just observe yung celebration pero
That's right.
not necessarily na ang pag-usapan lang natin dapat ganito lang.
Yeah.
Pero it's whole year round naman kasi public to. So we learn. So with the different resources that we have, we can talk about anything under the sun.
That's right. Yeah.
In whatever occasions na we are in. No?
That's right.
But of course, yung mga resources na nandito, it relates to nutrition.
Yeah,
no?
that's
Nutrition.
right.
Oh. So may I ask, ano nga ba piniprepare mo sa family mo?
Okay, like we are a very simple eaters. We are very simple eaters. So, yung mga basic lang, just like what I've said earlier, doon kasi sa amin sa bahay, may konting gardens kami where we grow onions, we grow ampalaya, kamote, alugbati, kamatis, mga ganun. So, if we buy some food like meat, ganun, kasi hindi naman pwedeng itanim yung meat, di ba? So, pag bumili kami ng meat, may mga ingredients na kaming ready sa bahay. Okay, and even our barangay constituents, yung mga barangay authorities natin, barangay captains natin, they even encourage us, they highly encourage us to do our own gardening in our homes. At may mga contest din doon, sino yung pinakamaganda ang garden, mga ganun. So, na-motivate ka rin at the same time, na na-arouse din yung awareness mo na ay importante pala yung may sarili kang garden din. Not only depending on the market. Kaya nga kagaya ng sinabi natin, kung lagi ka na lang magdidepend ng sibuyas sa palengke, kagaya nung past problems natin about sibuyas, talagang mamumulubi ka. But if you have your readily available na halaman doon sa bahay mo, it could really help.
Yes.
Mhm.
And may naisip ako kanina na kalimutan ko tuloy yung naibalak mo kasi yung sibuyas.
Okay. Like recipes na may sibuyas,
yung pagluluto, yung
Okay.
pagluluto. Of course, in the morning, di ba? When you are working already, di ba? Ano yung, let's say na na-prepare mo na, or you do your preparation sa gabi na so that it will be easier sa morning. Kasi
Yeah.
sa mga working, parents,
Yeah.
you know, pagka nag-prepare ka na ng food sa umaga, it's just, yung easiest.
Oo, yung
It's the egg, di ba?
actually hindi na healthy Kasi kung ano yung mga
Yes.
frozen foods na lang doon na
Yes.
yeah, it takes only a minute luto na like hot dogs, mga ganun.
Mhm.
But speaking of preparation, Like, we can prepare that ahead of time. Like, in the evening, pwede mo nang i-chop yung mga vegetables. Tapos, meron naman tayo ngayon yung plastic, yung anong tawag dun, yung pang-cover na ganyan, para it remains fresh until the following day. Tapos, doon mo na lang iluluto. Me, I really, literal talaga na gumigising ako ng maaga, as early as 4:30. Yes.
Just to prepare.
Just to prepare food and my hair also. Yeah, but for mothers, they really do that. Ginagawa na nila sa gabi. Kasi hindi naman pwedeng puro fast food na lang or hindi naman pwedeng unhealthy foods every morning.
Yes.
Actually, the most important meal in a day is the breakfast talaga. So, we make sure na mag-effort talaga yung mother na mag-prepare ng healthy food. So, gabi pa lang prepare na yan. Chopping the food. Tapos, pwede naman, pag gumising ka ng 4:30 or 5, makakaluto ka pa rin. Time management.
Yeah. And I believe, kapag nasarapan ka na ng, lalo na kung tuyo.
Yeah.
Tuyo, kamatis, yung mga ganun na.
Tapos may
wala na. Wala nang diet.
Goodbye, diet!
Diba, minsan kapag diet ako pero pag nakita mo na masarap yung pagkain, ako po, iwanan natin ang diet. Wala mo ng diet for today, diba? Bukas na lang, ganun yung sinasabi natin. Pero of course, we can eat anything naman. Actually, kung sa akin, in my own viewpoint, we can eat anything, pero of course, we have to be in moderation, no?
That's right.
Parang, ako I also eat kasi kahit may health concerns naman ako, pero kung yung food na nandoon is yung, let's say yung breakfast, you were invited in a breakfast and ang nandun is, ham, bacon, and then hot dog, and then, siyempre alangan naman na, ay hindi ako kakain, sabihin ko, di ba? Parang nakakaano naman. Ay, kumakain pa rin naman ako, pero of course, hindi ko naman uubusin yung dahon, I mean, konti-konti lang.
That's right. You know what, parang na-adapt natin yung ibang culture, food culture ng ibang country. I work with a Korean manager kasi. Yeah, and she always tells me this, like, when they prepare meals, talagang 5 putahe.
5?
Yes. Unlike sa atin, adobo lang, tsaka kanin, okay na yun. Diba? Pero sila talagang very conscious sila sa health nila. Like, complete. 5. At least 5. 5 different menus. 5 different recipes in one meal.
So, maganda palang pumunta sa bahay ng Koreano.
That's right. So, breakfast, lunch, dinner, ganun yung setup nila sa table nila. And I think Filipinos are slowly, gradually adapting that culture. At maganda rin naman, yun nga lang time-consuming talaga.
Kasi ilan naman yung iluluto mo, di ba? Imagine ilang putahe yung iluluto. Naku, sabi ko, wala ka nang ginawa kundi magluto.
Yeah, although sa kanila, syempre, high-tech sila, may mga food processors, may mga, pero tayo, kasi tayo pa lang. Nalililig ko pa lang yung mga kutsilyo. Sa kanila, medyo high-tech, kaya medyo mas madali.
Yeah.
Pero yun nga, kung gusto mo talagang mag-effort that you want to serve healthy food in the morning, talagang gigising ka talaga ng maaga to do it. Like, gabi pa lang i-prepare mo na and then lutuin na lang the following morning. Which works for me. Which works for me.
Sa akin kasi wala, whatever. Kung ano yung maanong ko sa umaga, ba? Kasi okay na ako sa kapag may prutas at walang na, at malilate na ako, di prutas na lang.
Kagaya, sabi ko nga kanina sa'yo, may advantage din na hindi ka marunong magluto. Because you eat healthy food, like raw na lang, which is healthy, di ba? Which is healthy. Meron nga kumakain ng pechay, ganun na. Kasi wala siyang time magluto. And she has the advantage there kasi alam natin na pag niluto yung food, nag-decrease yung nutrients.
May nababawas.
Yes, that's right. So, don't worry. You are in the right track. Eating raw foods in the morning. And fruits, of course, hindi naman natin niluluto yung given.
Given na talaga. Okay, so dito naman sa library, we have resources, no? We were talking about here, affordable, elegant meals.
Yeah.
Talaga namang elegant, tignan mo naman yung picture na lang, no?
The presentation is
With the white wine, no? Kasi fish ito or red wine yon tapos ito
actually, ginagamit nila sa cooking, di ba?
Yes, no? Actually, yung talaga mga chef.
Yeah.
Chef talaga, these recipes were prepared by chef, so affordable, elegant meals, no?
That's right.
So how elegant are these ba, no?
Yeah.
Alam, pati-pati ng baka nandito
Yes.
eh.
Actually, speaking of elegance, may pinost ako sa Facebook noon. I don't know what month that was. Ang simpleng pagkain pero ang gandang tingnan kasi the presentation.
Yeah.
Pero kung tingnan mo lang yun, talbos ng kamote, mga ganun ng kamati.
Yeah.
Kinuha ko lang sa garden. I didn't even buy anything. So, doon mo makikita talaga na elegance does not equate with high price.
Kagaya nito,
Yeah.
zucchini at saka zucchini and lemon.
May lemon siya. Yeah.
Ginawang soup, no?
Yes.
So pwede palang magsama, kaya lang, of course, inaral ng mga chef yan bago,
Yes.
di ba?
Yes,
Ah,
that's right.
Kaya affordable, elegant meals ang mga ito kasi prepared by chef. Of course, pag chef na kasi ang pinag-uusapan na syempre, alam mo,
Yes,
yung mga preparations
syempre
nila.
naman.
Oo.
Oo. But you know what? The good thing about Filipinos is we can innovate.
Yes.
Alam niyo ba yung sinasabi kong garden salad na nilalagyan ng honey? Uy, ang mahal ng honey ah. Hindi na honey yung ginamit ko, asukal na. And it doesn't even, you cannot even tell the difference between the honey and the sugar. Mag-honey ka na lang kung talagang, uy, may pera ka, mga ganun. Pero, ang mahal. Pero yung ginamit ko ngayon is sugar. You cannot tell the difference sa taste.
Baka naman isang katerbang sugar yun.
O hindi ah. Binigay ko yung sukat mamaya, yung mga measurements para ano lang, yung tama lang. Kasi hindi naman tayo pwede sa masyadong sweet. Kasi magda-diabetes naman tayo nun.
Yeah, so kung ito, sa mga foreign, kasi obviously yung nag-prepare nito and then this book
Yeah.
is, California Culinary
Yeah, that's
Academy.
right. Yeah.
Of course, meron din naman tayo
Yes.
lutong Pinoy.
That's
And we have
right.
the book.
Yes. Sir Noe, shout out. Kinuha ko to sa'yo. Okay. Mga bagong lutuing pantahanan. Very makamasa yung picture pa lang. We have here pineapples, we have lumpia, we have ano pa yata ito, pusit, mga ano talaga, mga common food among Filipinos. And I was going over it, mga pang-Filipino talaga, yung mga pagkain na nandito. Because it's written, it's authored by a Filipino. So, yeah. But as we said, regardless whether it's a Filipino or a foreigner,
Foreign.
author, ang Pilipino talaga para-paraan yan.
Siyempre, kagaya niyan,
That's
kaning
right.
bigas, sabi
Mm.
niya, tapos ginawang palitaw, o di ba?
O, di ba?
Putong puti, o di ba?
Yeah.
Mga ano yan eh,
That's right.
mga
Rice, yeah. I have a friend actually na yung puto talaga na authentic na ginagawa niya is yung mahal na anong tawag doon? Yung rice flour, yung dikit talaga, yung malagkit. Pero siya, gumagawa siya ng rice sa bahay, yung dinidikdik na ginagawa niya para magmukhang authentic siya. Pero actually, innovative siya.
Yeah,
Yes.
oo. Kasi may mga iba't ibang may mga iba't kaya nito. Maghahanap ka ng iba't ibang paraan.
Yes.
Example na lang.
Mm.
Let's say yung sayote, kasi yun ang marami dito, di ba?
Yes.
O let's say yung sayote. Iba't ibang putahiyan ng
Yeah.
sayote. Pero
101.
sayote pa rin, di ba?
Yes.
O, so marami kaming paraan.
That's
Magaling
right.
talaga ang Pinoy.
Yeah.
Di ba? Sayote. Sayote sa umaga, sayote sa di ba? Nakaka-high blood.
That's right. Oh, you know what? I want to introduce one sayote-based dessert. Ano yun?
Candy.
Yeah, not candy. Alam mo yung pineapple? Ang ratio niya is 1:1. Like if it's 1 cup of pineapple, 1 cup of sayote, iluto mo lang siya sa syrup na sugar. Luto mo lang doon. It really tastes good. Para ka na rin na fruit cocktail.
Wow.
Ay, sayote yun ha. 50-50 yung measurement, yung ratio.
Pero marami talagang luto ang sayote.
Yeah, that's right. You
Telling
can
you,
even
oo.
make apple pie out of sayote.
Yeah.
Lagyan mo lang ng cinnamon powder, mga ganun.
So ganun ganun ka innovative ang mga Pinoy pagdating sa mga preparation ng food. Marami talaga, no? And syempre dito sa Baguio, we have the pinikpikan, no?
Oh,
And
yeah.
different din ang pagluluto. Kung sa mga let's say tinola, di ba?
Oo.
Yung mga friend ko kasi na Tagalog, talaga ang tingin nila sa pinikpikan, tinola.
Oh, okay.
Kaya sabi ko, hindi, magkaiba yung ano,
Yeah.
yung manok pa rin naman yan, pero syempre yung preparation lang.
That's right. Yung authentic kasi na pinikpikan is, black yung sabaw niya.
Yes.
Yun yung talagang authentic. Pero nag-i-innovate na rin tayo. Meron kasi din yung ayaw, yung
Yeah.
authentic. Ayaw yung lasa, something like that. Pero for Cordillerans like us, of course, we want the authentic one.
So sa mga mothers out there, and of course sa mga promising chef na rin, at sa mga may pangarap na, let's say, kumuha ng culinary,
Yeah.
we do have a lot of resources here, no? So you can visit our public library. Anyway, free naman ang pagpunta nyo dito. So we do have a lot. We can offer you a lot of books that you can use, no?
Yeah,
And
that's right.
you still have the
Yes, because sauce is, may kasabihan kasi the way to a man's heart is through the stomach. Totoo yun.
ganon.
Kung gusto mong ma-impress yung husband mo or gusto mong ma-impress yung boyfriend mo, you should be a good cook. Yun yung
Ganon.
sinasabi.
It's kind of
Yeah.
different.
Pero iba naman kasi yung case mo kasi iba yung forte mo eh. Iba yung sabi ko earlier, may mga bagay ka sigurong matututunan sa akin, but there are things that I can learn from you. Dahil iba yung forte mo. Magkakaiba
Kung sa
tayo.
pagluluto, talaga
Yes.
namang ano
Yes. Kay Ma'am Shawi din, di ba? May mga matututunan tayo sa kanya na hindi talaga natin alam na siya lang yung
Oo
nakakaya.
naman. Oo.
Usap tayo mamaya. Okay, anyway, yung sauce making kasi importante ito sa bahay. Yung sauce na ginagamit natin doon sa garden, talagang promote namin yung garden salad na. Mamaya, let's take picture tapos ipakita natin sa page natin para maniwala sila na
Okay.
may kinain tayo
Oo,
na gano'n. Okay. Anyway, yung sauce na ginamit ko doon is just one sauce. Pag nakita niyo yung book na ito, ang daming sauce, puro sauce ito, magkakaibang mga ingredients kasi. So for those who really want to experiment in your houses, depende rin kasi sa pagkain yung sauce na ilalagay mo. Kung yung i-prepare mo is garden salad, may particular, may specific sauce yun. Kung yung i-prepare mo naman is meat dishes,
May
mga corresponding din na mga sauces. So this is one good book that you can you can read when you come over the Baguio City Public Library.
Yeah. Okay, so dito naman, Culinaria, a guidebook to Philippine cuisine.
Yes,
no?
okay.
So, ayan na yung ating sinigang. O, diba, seafood sinigang ito kasi naghalo na yung, yung fish at saka hipon.
Yes.
Of course, meron din yung seashells.
Yeah. Ma'am Sharon, ikaw ba yung nagsabi sa akin na nagsigang ng different?
Yes.
Yeah. Can you tell us about that? Yung nagsigang siya tapos
Mom Esther already ate that. No? You know, we cook, what do we call that? Seafood. It's
Oh,
called
right.
seafood
Mixed
sinigang.
seafood.
Mixed seafood, yeah. Like maybe the other people, they knew about that also. So a mix of, what do we call that? Yung shell.
Oo,
The shell.
shell.
Yes, yung shell.
mussels, oo,
And
yes.
then the shrimps and,
Shrimps and then fish.
Fish, yes.
Yes.
malasa
So
talaga yun.
delicious.
Yeah, oo. Malasa talaga.
Tapos nakita natin dyan sa picture sa harap, may gulay talaga.
Oo,
Diba?
may gulay. Hindi
At saka-
talaga nawawala ang gulay.
Yes, at saka kung anong gulay yung nilagay niyo nun, Ma'am Sharon? Pechay, mga ganun ba?
Yes,
Pwede,
yes,
di ba?
pechay.
Pechay, mga talbos ng kamote, mga ganun.
Usual na na nandito. No?
So,
So, ito naman, prepare din ng chef, no? So, kung anong nakikita nila na nandito talaga sa Pilipinas, of course, yung mga
Yes.
vegetables, yung mga halaman na nandito na pwedeng
Yeah.
So, I guess it's all here, no?
Mm-mm.
So, these are prepared by chef here in the Philippines. Filipino
Yeah.
chef, okay?
Yeah.
So, ayan, ang ating
Culinaria.
culinaria.
The other one is desserts. Yeah. Baguio and Trinidad is known for strawberries.
Yeah.
We grow that. And a lot of hindi lang mga turista, 'di ba? Pag may mga turista na pupunta dito from the lowlands, isa sa mga hinahanap nila aside from Walis Tambo, ay strawberries talaga.
Yes.
And we are rich with that yung crops natin, yung production natin talaga, lalo na pag summer. Marami talaga tayong produce ng strawberries. So, we can do a lot of dishes or desserts na ginagamitan siya ng strawberries. So, for those who love to come to Baguio, i-tour namin kayo dun sa strawberry farm sa KM6 ba yun? KM6 ba yung strawberry
Trinidad,
farm?
Trinidad.
Basta dyan sa ano.
Yeah, that's right. So, Baguio takes pride on that. Yung part na yun, we grow a lot of it. So, Baguio also is known for making jams, strawberry jams.
Strawberry
yes.
wine.
Strawberry wine, yeah, that's right. Strawberry cake.
Yeah.
Pag ano, sa Trinidad, meron silang parang festival doon, strawberry festival.
Yeah.
And we promote talaga yung paggamit ng strawberries. And of course, the industry na rin ng strawberry. So, there.
Actually, hindi talaga dito sa ang production. It's just yung selling dito sa Baguio.
Yes, that's
Kasi,
right.
Kagaya nga, Baguio beans. Actually, walang Baguio beans eh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pinangalanan na
Oo.
Baguio beans.
Para
Pero,
attractive yung pakdinig.
hindi talaga nag-grow dito sa,
Yeah, that's
sa
right.
Baguio.
Yeah. Mm.
Diba, and even strawberry. Known pa rin
Yeah.
ang Baguio for
Yeah.
strawberry. Pero
Okay.
it grows.
Yeah. Mm. Yeah,
Hindi talaga sa Baguio.
Yes, that's right. But I have pots sa bahay, nakaka-grow din.
Yeah, in
Pero,
parts of
pero ano lang, hindi in volume talaga na per kilo or per truck. Hindi. Pero you can still grow your strawberries. Pwede
Sa
kang
San
mag-
Tomas, may farm naman ng
Yeah,
strawberry
oo,
sa-
meron din.
Oo, meron din naman.
Mas malawak
Pero-
lang sa Trinidad.
Pero yung Trinidad talaga yung
Trinidad.
major
And
producer.
even the
natin.
flowers and
Yes.
talagang dito lang kasi ang trade dito sa
Yes,
Baguio.
yes, that's right. Oh, nabanggit mo pala yung flowers, Ma'am Easter. Ewan ko kung, I think meron din tayong book, hindi lang natin nakita. There are edible flowers.
Yes, nakakain na ako.
Edible flowers.
Meron
Meron.
mga nakikita natin dyan sa paligid-ligid. Akala
Yung
natin
kulay
pinadaan.
violet yata yun.
Yes.
Or ano.
Meron pa tingkad na orange na flower. Nilalagay nila yan sa
Sa
salads.
salads. Oo,
Yes,
sa salads naman.
Mhm.
Okay, so moving on, we have healthy juices. So juices
Yeah.
naman ngayon.
Okay.
So hindi lang yung meal,
Mhm.
dessert, and what's the other? The sauce. Of
Mhm.
course, we also have here juices. Ano? And
Yes.
even the other book, it
Mhm.
talks about fruits of the earth. Okay, so
Mhm.
maraming paraan din kung anong gagawin sa fruits. It's not only
That's
yung
right.
nabanggit kanina,
Mhm.
dessert, yung mga jams, yung mga jellies. We also have juices din. No?
That's right.
Okay, so yan.
Maalala mo, Ma'am Easter, nung pumunta tayo sa Orchidarium, yung parang may binili tayong token for a guest dito.
Yeah, oo.
Di ba bumili ako ng lemon
Mm-mm.
na 3?
Nasaan na yung lemon?
Oy, lumalaki na sila.
Oy.
Dadalhin ko dito, gagamitin natin. Si Ma'am Sharon, ano yan, umiinom, alam ko yan, conscious yan talaga. Umiinom yan ng lemon, pag lumaki yung dadalhin ko talaga dito. Marami na
Sige.
siyang bunga talaga.
Oh.
It's really growing,
Oh.
thriving very well doon sa garden ko. Yeah. So, kagaya ng sabi nila, yung parang anong tawag dito, figurative na expression na yung lemon is ang asin, pero pag ginawa mong lemonade, di ba? It's something that you would enjoy.
Oo.
Parang sa buhay din, di ba? Yung buhay kan minsan parang sour siya, pero pag lagyan mo ng konting asukal, di ba?
Oo.
Ginger and honey. It's perfect.
Yes, also you can.
It's healthy.
That's right.
Okay,
And
so what
yeah,
else
one
do we
more
have
siguro, I like this McCall's book, although foreign ito. Kasi ito naman yung best one dish meals. Yung hindi mo na kailangan, kagaya ng sinabi ko kanina, 5
Separate,
meals.
oo.
Yung 5 dishes in 1 meal. Matrabaho yun. Ito naman, one dish meal, parang nakatry na kayo na gumawa ng fried rice na lagyan mo na ng gulay.
Yeah.
Andun na lahat. Di ba?
I am very fond of cooking
Oh,
that.
really? Di ba yung
sa isang
Chow
na?
fan, chow fan.
chow fan? Yeah. Yes, lagyan mo na ng gulay doon, strip fried eggs, mga ganon. Kumpleto na. You don't need to prepare other viands in the morning. Kompleto na yun.
Pero may kanin pa rin.
May kanin.
May kanin pa rin.
Sinangag nga, ma'am eh.
Oo nga eh. Ang sarap.
But instead of using
Oo.
consideration,
Yeah, anyway, yeah, Ma'am Easter, this caught your attention. Beans and rice. Are you
Mahilig ako
fond?
sa beans.
Are you fond of beans?
Oo.
Okay.
Mahilig ako sa nuts,
There.
sa beans.
Mm,
Ayan.
Yeah, so if they want to cook something using beans, right, with rice, pwede itong book na ito.
Yung lentils.
Healthy
Oo.
protein.
Oo.
Yeah, high in protein talaga yung beans. However, for adult people, medyo maghinay-hinay sa beans kasi sabi nila yung arthritis din. Actually, it's not really the beans yung balat daw ng beans. Yun ang medyo iwasan.
At kung kakain ka pala, babalatan.
Wala. Kasi nandun daw yung uric acid. Oo,
Okay.
nandun yung uric acid, especially mungo.
Alam, mahilig talaga ako sa ano.
Sa beans.
Of course, para maging maging kompleto, no?
Punta
Oo,
tayo
meron
sa
tayo.
sauces.
Eh, ang ganda naman ito. Parang soup talaga, oh.
Ayan, ganda. Ayun.
Wow.
O, diba? Kita yung mga book dito. Exciting, oh. Ayan, parang 3D ang ano niya, no? Yan. So, soup naman dito.
Yes.
Okay, so parang usually kasi kapag ka sa ganyang meal, nauuna yung soup. Or minsan, naghahanap kasi tayo ng sabaw, no?
That's right.
So, there's also here a book that talks about kung ano yung mga soups na pwede ninyong i-prepare. Not only yung soup na yung sabaw lang, pero let's say parang biniblender na rin yung ibang just
Yeah,
like carrot
that's
soup,
right.
yung squash, no? Yung squash, I like the squash sa isang yun, masarap kasi.
That's right.
Masarap yun.
And I remember, idagdag lang natin, earlier we were talking about carrots. Yung carrots kasi hindi siya masyadong magandang lasa, lalo sa mga bata. But if you can innovate, you can deceive the child. Pwede. Kasi I make carrot salad. Masarap din. Parang ang thing niya is macaroni salad. Carrots lang yung ginamit. So, you can never taste the carrot. Kasi masyadong masarap pag carrots lang na
Parang mapakla.
mapakla. But if you add some ingredients like that, it could matatanggal yung carrot flavor niya. And of course, yung mga speaking of soups kasi, sa bahay, I was telling you earlier, may mga kami doon, may mga herbs, like mint, madali lang mag-grow ang mint, oregano, kutchay, if you know kutchay,
Pangsugat.
yun, pangsugat. Masarap pala yun sa omelette na
May talaga?
Yes, omelette
May talaga
na.
yun?
Yes, masarap yun. So, herbs that we can even grow in our own homes, hindi na tayo bibili. It can enhance the flavor of your soups. Yeah.
Wow.
Kasi parang nasanay na tayo na kung walang sopas, instant noodles na lang. Which is not healthy. Yeah, which is
Instant
not
noodles na lang.
Instant noodles na
May,
lang.
may natatamaan na dyan pag sinabi yung instant noodles.
Ako rin, natamaan ako kasi
Kumakain ka rin.
yes. Kasi yun na yung pinakamadali for
We have nothing
people.
against naman
Yeah.
sa kasi at times you would understand, especially when in a hurry talaga ang mga
Yes, yes,
And
that's
then,
right.
yung mga, let's say sa mga disaster, kasi disaster din ngayon.
Yes, oo.
Hindi talaga tayo nakakapagluto ng talagang di ba? Kasi urgent na need na yun. That's why meron talaga instances. But then of course,
Huwag
sabi
gawin.
nga namin, in moderation, no?
Huwag gawing habit.
Oo, wag
Yes.
gawin na everyday na lang
Yes,
nakaka-cup
that's
noodles
right.
ka, di ba? Oh.
Taas ng sodium yan.
Yeah, that's right. Kaya nga, i-enhance natin yung soups natin. And if we, napansin ko kasi, psychologically kasi, pag may mga ready kang tanim, naiinganyo ka rin na mag-prepare ng food. So, it becomes healthy. So, parang nasa-set aside mo ng konti yung mga instant noodles or, hindi lang naman noodles, even the processed meats.
Yes.
Hindi, carcinogenic yung mga yon. So, umiwas tayo doon. So, again,
Sumunta tayo na sa Esther.
And even the canned goods actually.
Yes, that is
hindi talaga.
well,
Sabi na nila them, pero hindi naman yung talagang every now and then,
Yes,
naka-canned goods ka na lang, no?
kasi pagdating ng disaster, 3 days yan 72 hours yan na expect mo na talagang walang healthy food. So, magre-rely ka talaga sa canned goods, mga ganun.
Yeah, oo.
Yeah, but
Sa mga
don't
emergencies.
Mga
diba?
emergency.
Emergencies talaga hindi natin maiwasan yan. Kaya lang, of course, we have to pa rin na talagang in moderation pa rin lahat ng intake sana. Kasi we have to observe pa rin na kahit na yung mga tinitake natin, it has an effect doon sa katawan natin.
Yes, that's right.
So, dapat balance pa rin, no? So, we encourage vegetables, we encourage fruits, we
Yeah,
encourage
that's
meat, Diba? Yung mga ganyan. Fish, of course, yung mga ganyan, no?
Yes.
Pero baka naman kung magluto ka, mas malaki yung karne, mas maliit yung...
Yun nga yung mindset din ng mga Pinoy, lalo na pag may mga piyesta, gano'n. Parang masakit naman sa kalooban mo na kumain lang ng konting karne. Di ba pag pumunta ka sa mga piyesta, tapos yung ano yun, yung mga
Watwat,
mga gano'n.
watwat.
Alam ka naman, tatanggihan mo yung mga yun, di ba?
Huwag mong tanggihan ng watwat.
Yeah,
Kasi naging culture na rin.
that's right. O pag uwi mo, bahala ka na kung lagyan mo rin ng meat yun. Or kung anong pwede mong gawin para maging mas healthy.
Okay, so we would like to invite you, to visit your public library dito sa City Library. Maraming resources that will help you out on how to prepare your food, your food or yung food ng family ninyo. Maraming recipes and then books. And then not only yung parang complete meal na rin, kasi merong meals, merong soup, merong desserts, merong sauce, merong juice,
right.
So, kompleto na rin na tayo dito sa City Library. And of course, just like what was promised, i-announce namin kami kasi baka mawalan na naman tayo ng so I guess we have to end this na. So, this is just a continuation actually, pero sayang naman hindi tuloy-tuloy yung live namin. Of course, we have promised sa contest kasi na we will be announcing yung winners ng spoken poetry, para sa Pride Month. Although na medyo na-delay lang ng konti, pero still naman, anyway, July naman kasi ang Pride Month is June, So we have given the chance sa mga Pride members to submit their entries, and we would like to say thank you doon sa mga nag-submit and sa mga nag-perform na rin, Kasi of course, we have to give respect also to those na talagang they are not yet ready, na to bring out kung ano sila, Kasi we would understand kasi baka mabully sila or baka hindi matanggap ng mga family and friends nila na ganun ang kanilang status. Okay? So, we would like to say thank you lahat na mga nag-submit ng kanilang entries. You are all winners actually. We just have to choose kung sino yung first, second, and third kasi lahat naman kayo winners na, So, before we end this live talk, so we would like to announce yung mga consolation places. Okay? So, for our consolation places, we have entries. We will not be mentioning the names. Gaya ng nasabi namin, no names is just the entry number. So, alam namin na maraming nag-aabang, kasi it was announced, they were informed na i-announce ito during the live talk. Okay, so, sa aming consolation places, okay, okay, so entry number 8.
Yes.
Hey.
Yay!
Congratulations. Entry number 10.
Yay!
Entry number 5. Entry number 6.
Yes!
Entry number 4. Yan. Oh. Entry number 3.
Yes!
Entry number 7.
Yes.
Ayan. So, tatlo na lang.
Yes. And Ma'am Esther, gusto lang natin sabihin na we were really having a hard time sa judging kasi magagaling naman sila lahat, maganda lahat yung entry nila. Yung iba nga, kabuhok na lang yung pagitan.
Yung pagitan, actually. Okay, so sa ating consolation places, yun ang mga na-announce, yung mga entries na yan. Anyway, we will be posting naman kung sino yung mga nanalo. But then, of course, dito sa contest is a contest, So, as announced naman during the performance, sinabi namin sa inyo na we would be rating yung entry mismo, yung piece, poetry piece, and then yung performance, and of course the social media, So, doon sa performance and piece, that would be we will get, actually 50-50 yun, 50-50, pero we will get only, so equals 100 yun, but then we will get only 90%. Kasi yung 10% comes from the posting sa social media. So, 90 from the judges and 10% from the social media. Okay? So, ang nakalagay doon na ang nasabi is they have to like the page, ano? Of course, we were questioned bakit kailangan i-like nila yung page. Of course, ang sa amin naman, we are a public library and we are not a business entity, ano? So sa amin, gusto namin na yung awareness, yung mga information para naman at least maging aware na yung mga tao. So by liking our page, ano, yon, mai-inform naman kayo and you will be updated, you will be aware kung ano yung mga nangyayari sa public library. That's why we were asking na yung sa 10%, yung mga nakalike sa page, they will be counted, no? Okay, so
Ang pinakahihintay.
pinakasahintay na, no? So 1, 2, and 3. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. We will announce first the third place. If by the way, if you have any questions, ano, you can just visit us here. We can show you yung result, even the judging scores, at we will tell you bakit naging ganon yung scores ninyo. Okay? So we can do that. You can come here. Ayaw lang namin na issues. Okay? So yung prices pala ninyo, no? Isa rin yan, no? Yung prices.
Okay.
Medyo matagal. Don't expect na meron na ngayon kasi we don't have the cash, no? So since it's budgeted from the local government, so ipaprocess pa namin yung mga papeles, lahat ng mga kailangan and attachments, and then sasubmit namin. Of course, hindi naman kaagad-agad yan na mawo-work, ano? Mapipila yan, and may i-audit pa yan and everything before it will be forwarded to the cashier division na pwede nang kunin yung mga prices ninyo. Okay? So, for our third place, actually, ang gaganda nung hindi lang nag-perform yung
That's right. Yeah.
hindi lang nag-perform yung iba, pero, sayang kasi, but then, of course, we cannot force naman kasi na mag-perform sila. Pero part kasi yun it should be a video na uploaded, kaya lang meron yung mga nag-decline na hindi pa sila ready kasi na maglabas, na sila ay member ng Pride. Okay? So, for our third place, ang daming masakal yan. For our third place, it's entry number 9.
Yes!
Congratulations, number 9.
Dalawa na lang actually ang hindi na babanggit na pang non-entry, di ba? So, alam na ninyo kung sino, kaya lang yung place lang nila, di ba? Okay, so for our second place, it's entry number 2.
Oh!
Yay! Hindi, mali. Entry number 1. Nagkamali.
With a Steve Harvey.
With a Steve Harvey ako, ano? Hindi. Second place is entry number 1. Okay, number 1 ang second place, no? So, I stand corrected, no? Ayan, nandito. Anyway, you can come here and we can show you yung computation. Talaga naman si entry number 1 ang second place. Okay? So, ang first place is entry number 2. Congratulations to our entry number 2.
Yes.
Okay? Siya ang ating first place kasi actually siya ang pinakamataas na nakakuha yung points niya, and even sa social media mataas din naman. Although may mas mataas sa kanya, kaya lang mataas din naman yung kanyang valid, no? Valid na voters niya. Okay, so congratulations, first place, entry number 2, second place, entry number 1, and third place, entry number 9. Okay? So the rest, consolation places na kayong lahat. So with that, congratulations and thank you very much. And by the way, plug in din namin may upcoming kaming free guitar lessons.
Yes.
So, dito sa City Library, mag-register na kayo so that we can start. And by the way, you have to bring your own guitar.
Yes.
Wala kaming guitar dito actually. So, you have to bring your own guitar. Free na yung lessons ninyo. Anyway, it's still basic. So, sa mga gustong mag-avail, mag-avail ng free lessons, we have here our Madam Cindy,
Yes, I'm
our
one.
Ma'am Cindy.
Yeah, I'm one
sila.
of those who will
Oo.
teach the guitar lesson. Actually,
Yeah.
tatlo kami. Meron si Sir Judah at saka meron isang professional talaga
Yes,
na
oo.
lead guitarist sa pagdating sa mga concert for a cause.
Yes, oo. So sila yung magtuturo sa inyo.
Yes.
So kung ako sa inyo, mag-register na kayo. Take the opportunity
Yes, that's
while
right.
it's free, di ba?
Yeah, because when I teach at home, kasi may mga pumupunta talaga sa bahay to have their guitar lessons with me. Nagpapabayad naman talaga ako.
Yeah.
Pero dito, pro bono po talaga. So, take the opportunity po.
For service, para sa
Yes.
bayan, no?
That's
So mag-register na kayo. It's posted also sa aming Facebook page, Baguio City Public Library. And of course, may upcoming contest ulit for the youth. Kasi ang August is we are in celebration of the Youth Month. Okay? So, abangan ninyo ulit and join kayo para naman let's say, engagement with the
That's
community.
right.
And this is how the public library is. So, make use of your public library kasi dito sa BCPL, lahat
Lahat kasali.
Okay, so bye-bye!
Bye-bye!